Hi, this is Tutor and this is suffix number 75. Suffix is ia, ia as a word ending. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. The suffix ia is used to form nouns with names of countries, diseases, flowers, and sometimes collections. Okay, let's continue. The suffix ia derives from both Latin and Greek, in which it helped to form nouns of the feminine gender. Remember, Latin had masculine and feminine nouns, as well as a lot of the Romance languages that derive from it. Let's continue. All right, so we got 4 examples. Here's the first one, Austria. Of course, that's a country. Austria is a German-speaking country bordering Germany, famous for classical musicians, like Mozart, Beethoven, Bach, Sigmund Freud, of course, was originally from there, and is sometimes confused with Australia by ESL students. Yeah, many students, sometimes they'll see Austria written there, and they'll just read Australia because they're used to Australia probably more often than they are Austria. But anyway, clearly it's a European country right next to Germany. Let's continue. All right, the second example here. Many Eastern European countries have names that end in IA, such as Lithuania, Macedonia, Georgia, Albania, Croatia, Estonia, Latvia, etc. And there are more. All right. Now, of course, we're up to diseases. Number 2, anemia, a medical condition in which the capacity of blood to transport oxygen to tissue is reduced. And here's our example. Anemia is caused by too few red blood cells. Okay, not enough red blood cells, and that's how people can become anemic, but anemia is the disease. Many diseases that end in IA are anorexia, dyslexia, hypochondria, myopia, etc. Okay, let's continue. All right, now third one is in relation to flowers. Begonias are plants grown for its bright red, pink, yellow, or white flowers. Good. Some flowers that end in the suffix ia are begonias, dahlia, fuchsia, petunia, poinsettia, etc. Okay, let's continue. And number 4, this is the one to do with maybe some kind of collection that you put together. Paraphernalia, a set or collection of objects, especially for an activity, right? The police found some drug paraphernalia in his apartment. So this wouldn't be the drugs itself, but these might be things like pipes or something that you use to smoke drugs or do things with drugs, or needles or something like that. That would be the paraphernalia part. Okay, and last one here, memorabilia, objects that you collect because they belong to someone famous that one has interest in. Yeah, I did one recently on memorabilia too. That diehard fan has a lot of Yankee memorabilia. So, maybe of a certain team you could have too, or a certain player or a movie star, etc. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.